This is Tony with Rainbow Restoration, here to provide you another Rainbow Restoration insight. Let's talk about one of the most serious types of water damage, a Category 3, also known as black water. This is water that's contaminated with sewage, floodwaters, and other dangerous pollutants. And here's the first thing you need to know. Do not try to handle this by yourself. Category 3 water carries bacteria, viruses, and other harmful pathogens. Exposure can cause serious illness. So what do? Step 1, stay safe. Keep your family and pets away from the affected area. Don't walk through it, don't touch it, and definitely don't try to clean it up with normal household products. Step 2, call a professional restoration company immediately. Category 3 requires specialized equipment, protective gear, and a strict process for removing contaminated materials, disinfecting the area, and drying the structure. Step 3, document everything. Take photos, videos of the damage from a safe distance. This helps protect your insurance claim while the professionals handle the actual cleanup. Remember, the professionals can also help you on the documentation process as well. Step 4, follow professional guidance. Once our team is on site, we will assess what materials can be salvaged and what has to be removed. We'll make sure that everything is disinfected and dried up to industry standards, and we'll put protocols in place to keep our workers and your family safe. Remember, Category 3 water damage is not just a mess, it's a health hazard. The sooner you act, the safer your home and family will be, and the smoother your claim will go. If you're dealing with a Cat 3 water damage right now, don't wait. Call our team immediately. We're trained and equipped to handle these emergencies safely.